Good morning, brothers and sisters, friends, ladies and gentlemen, officials, doctors, ministers, all around the world, those who are listening, watching, and thinking. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. There are many questions raised in our mind, soul, but nobody answers it completely without the persons, those who have experience and experiments. Mind is invisible, transcendent world of thoughts, feelings, attitude, emotions like love, hate, fear, joy, and anxiety, distress, etc. Belief and imagination. It is not confined to brain, but helpful in memory and awareness. The source of mind is Trikuti, near eye center. It provides consciousness, the ability to regulate what we do, to know what we are doing and why. The systems of body and mind are interlinked and affect the working of each other. Mind is a private sphere to which the owner has the access to communicate consciously or subconsciously. Each of us has a unique mind with specific thoughts, feelings, perceptions, memories, belief, attitudes, and a unique set of regulatory devices. These styles also decide the flow of energy and information inside us. The charity of mental health comprises complex of positive elements in an individual that feels, thinks, wills, and especially reasons the organized conscious and unconscious adaptive activity. Animals are able to interpret their environment but do not understand the reasons of what happens around them and adapt. Human mind has the ability to analyze situations and bring practical solution with logical reasoning. The derivations of name from Latin language mens means mind, which includes the mental faculties of thoughts, volition, feeling, and memory. Means gradually developed since 14th century. It is also supposed to be derived from a word of Sanskrit language, manas, from ancient period. Soul is celestial, spiritual, and immortal entity of human beings and other animals. Many religious philosophical concepts reveal that soul is the incorporate immortal essence as a divine source of energy in every living being. It is also closely linked with inspiration, emotions, passion, for enthusiasm, fervor, eagerness, vitality, spirit, commitment and other favorable aspects. Persons involved in meditation feel sublime presence of divine within. Meditation is the real submission to the Divine Father with supreme reverence. But we should not demand to fulfill our desires and worldly ambitions. Meditation also increases the power of thinking, concentrating and memorizing. The living spiritual guide has the virtuous divine bliss and the power to initiate the masses, to bless them about truth and achieve self-realization. Both mind and spirit are invisible, formless and splendid powers of deity. But the differences in between these entities are explained in the religious literatures and also gathered through the spiritual discourses of saints from time to time. Their concepts are given here. Soul is the share of the supernatural divine power, whereas entity of mind or man is blessed through external destiny, means Yama or Kal or king of death. Mind leaves the words with death of body, whereas soul is changeless and immortal. Mind transforms its concept with change in time and situations due to lust, greed, attachment, corruption, ego, etc. Mind tends to granite, man's mind tends to generate the grating network of deception and illusions. Soul cannot be spoiled or damaged through materialistic objects or situations. Soul is stable, endless and eternal energy, whereas mind is unstable, transferable and distressing irony. Soul adopts the virtuous trend of truth and morality. Mind is generally mischievous, that tends to follow wicked attitude. Soul remains away from illusions and materialistic incidents. However, mind remains entangled in worldly commodities and happenings. Soul always develops urge to get linked with its divine creator and tries to search for the righteous pathway, whereas mind always considers the physical body as its comfortable home and tends to enjoy the transitory events in the perishing and artificial setup. Soul does not get influenced through distress or delight, profits or loss, life or death. Because of its stable nature, the mind becomes radiant in the situations of delight, profit and progress, but gets drowned with apprehension during the conditions of grief, damage and dejection. Soul is virtue and truth. Mind remains in regular deceit, pretense and ostentations. Soul is capable to cherish the continuous sweet melody which has been perpetual resonance, eternal sound, celestial music and pleasing heavenly shout. Mind is influenced through music instruments of this world because it can feel the agreeable pleasure and thus enjoy the comfortable situations. Soul keeps on receiving guidelines from Almighty God to remain free from wicked actions. On the contrary, mind remains engrossed in greedy desires and tends to influence the soul for wicked deeds. Soul always yearns to attend religious congregations, whereas mind attempts to search for companions adopting worst appliances. Our soul remains strong and exhilarated elephant. Therefore, it cannot be transformed to helpless or slave entity. Mind is like an inconsistent and mischievous monkey that attempts to elude the soul to dance under its regulation. The relation of soul is affirmed with divine Lord, whereas mind has many worldly relatives, friends and enemies. Spiritual peace and elevation cannot be purchased through money. However, the enticing worldly materials for mind can be procured through wealth. Spiritual elevation can be achieved through regular meditation on God's words, which is blessed by a spiritual guide. The devotee achieves knowledge about origin, objectives and destiny of life. Such learning motivates the person for virtuous attempts of seeking salvation. Staying averse to these objectives, mind wastes its time and energy in attachments, name, fame, greed, ego, etc. Mind tries oppressing upon soul, but when a person seeks initiation on God's words, the devotee acquires profound spiritual strength to overpower and dash down the mind. It is omission on the part of the mind when it forgets to consider the mind, soul and divine master as true proprietor of life. Although the mind acknowledges that its existence in body is due to the presence of supernatural energy in the form of spirit, mind is like a strong politician which initially establishes friendly relationship with body but tends to make it away from soul so that the body does not ever think of God. Mind sometimes acts as a pronounced wizard who enchants that the soul does not locate the proper place and time for meditation. The mind keeps on trying to achieving the strength of tiger because the god of time is considered as very powerful like a colony of lions, but the soul is the robust principle or participle of omnipotent soul creator and the universe. Soul is the mother of pure, virtuous and auspicious thoughts. Mind does not allow sustaining the good and welfare belief for a long period. As per the concerns of divinity in human body, we can analyze a wise man always follows the righteous principles of life,